In this video, we are going to discuss about how to configure a router. So how to configure a router, how to assign an IP address, and how to connect to the other devices. We will be looking into it practically.
So when we double click on this router 0, we see here, you see that we have assigned these modules. Okay, you see the modules are here to this slots, and we try to configure using the CLI interface. Now you see here we are in the router. So this is the router, and the first thing we have to do is enable. So it enables into the router. Then we have to type, or we have to enter into the configuration terminal. So for that we use a command config t. So here it asks you to enter into the configuration commands, and also it is in the configuration terminal, so that it will perform all the conditions you provide here. So into the configuration terminal, you can clearly see here. So we have to enter into the interface mode. So you see in our diagram clearly that PC0 and PC1 are connected to gigabit 0/0 and 0/1 here. So as we see here, already the gigabit Ethernet is already 0/0 is already connected, so that we have to configure now the gigabit Ethernet 0/1. So we type in the interface name as interface gigabit Ethernet 0/1. Here it is. We have entered into the interface mode and also into the configuration interface mode here. Now you can assign the IP address for the gigabit Ethernet 0/1 interface. So we are providing IP address and also with the subnet mask details. After typing in, it has took the IP address as 192.168.3.1 and the subnet mask as 255.255.255.0. Now we have to type in a command no shutdown. So by this it will not shut down until and unless you manually shut down it. So you type no shutdown. Here it is. Now the addresses, the IP addresses have been assigned to gigabit Ethernet 0/1 as well as previously we have assigned to gigabit Ethernet 0/0. So now you see the communication between the PC01 and the PC1 to the router has been established. So this is how the configuration of a router takes place. In the same way, you can see that how many Ethernet interfaces are there. You can see under the interface tab, when you click on it, you see they are gigabit Ethernet 0/0, gigabit Ethernet 0/1, and we can see from fast Ethernet 0/0/02 there are fast Ethernet 0/2/3, and also there are serial ports, two serial ports which we have assigned or to which we have added the modules to the slots here. So this is about configuring the router and also connecting to the other devices in the Cisco packet tracer. And you can see if you have any doubt in configuring, you can see clearly when you come back to the configuration mode, when you type in what command needs to be accessed or what configuring commands are available, you can type the question mark so that you can get the list of the commands which we can use or which we can configure regarding. You can see there is AAA, which is authentication, authorization and accounting. Access list also can be given here, and also about the banner details, booting details. CDP, which is the configuration subcommand details, also can be given, and also clock, configuration register, and also enable command. Host name can be changed, that means the system's network name, and also interface can be configured here. IP addresses subcommands also can be configured here, and also you can see about the key management details are also changed here. So this is about the iOS commands which we can use in the configuration mode, and also how to configure the interface IP addresses on Cisco packet tracer for the particular router here.